This backup best practices checklist defines the essential controls for resilient data protection and rapid recovery. First, implement the 3-2-1 rule. Maintain at least 3 copies of your data, stored on 2 different types of media, with 1 copy kept off-site. This structure reduces single points of failure and protects against localized incidents. Second, keep an offline copy. Maintain at least 1 backup that is physically disconnected from the network. An air-gapped copy prevents attackers from encrypting or deleting your recovery data during a ransomware attack. Third, perform regular restore tests. Backups are only valuable if they are recoverable. Periodically test restoration procedures to verify data integrity, recovery time objectives, and operational readiness. Fourth, utilize immutable backups. Use storage configured as write once, read many. Immutable backups prevent alteration or deletion for a defined retention period, protecting data from insider threats and automated attacks. A strong backup strategy is layered resilience, redundancy, isolation, validation, and immutability working together. For more security checklists, visit infosec-tools.de.